In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar directly from Gmail. This is a fantastic feature that can really boost your productivity by letting you manage all your emails and scheduling needs without switching tabs. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Gmail account and sign in with your credentials. Whether you're using a desktop or a laptop, just head over to your preferred browser, type in Gmail, and enter your login details. Once you're in, your inbox should appear on your screen. Now let's focus on the right-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. Here you'll notice a panel with several icons, such as tasks and keep. Among them, there's a small calendar icon that looks just like a tiny version of a desk calendar. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing your schedule directly within Gmail. Once you click the calendar icon, a small panel will pop out from the right side. This is your integrated Google Calendar inside Gmail. It will display a condensed view of your calendar, allowing you to see upcoming events and meetings without having to leave your inbox. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping track of your daily engagements while managing your emails. In this calendar panel, you can view your scheduled events, quickly add new meetings, or check your availability without switching between tabs or applications. Simply click on the day you're interested in, and you can add a new event right from this panel. This seamless integration saves you time and helps keep your workflow smooth. If you need a broader view of your calendar, perhaps to see your month at a glance or manage more intricate scheduling, you can easily access the full Google Calendar. Just look to the top of the calendar panel and click on Open in a new tab. This will direct you to your Google Calendar's full-page view in a separate browser tab, where you can utilize all the advanced features available. And there you have it. Accessing your Google Calendar from Gmail is that simple. This powerful combination allows you to handle both your communication and scheduling needs efficiently, streamlining your daily tasks and enhancing your productivity without needing to leave Gmail. Give it a try, and you'll find that managing your time and tasks becomes a breeze with everything you need right at your fingertips. Enjoy the newfound ease in balancing your commitments while keeping your inbox front and center.